the Huawei Mate X7, the latest foldable flagship redefining how we use phones.
Unfold to an expansive 8-inch LTPO OLED main display with ultra-smooth 120Hz refresh.
A 6.49-inch quad-curved outer screen gives you regular phone usability when folded.
Under the hood, the Kirin 9030 Pro delivers flagship performance and efficiency.
This is the Huawei Mate X7, the latest foldable flagship.
Explore moments up close with 3.5x optical zoom and up to 100x digital zoom. Wide-angle lens lets you capture more of the world in a single shot.
Dual 8MP selfie cameras, ready for cover or inner display portraits.
A long-lasting battery up to 5,600 mAh, plus 66-watt wired and 50W wireless fast charge.